Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Abdullah Creation. Viewers, in this video I am going to show very beautiful and stylish frock designing ideas. Viewers, I hope so you like my video. Then you like my video, please subscribe my channel and then press bell icon. And then press option all to let my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. I have upload daily many designing ideas for you about fashion. You watch all the designing ideas that I upload for you. Many amazing designs. Viewers, you see all the designs is very beautiful and very stylish. If you have any question about this frock cutting and stitching, about this frock tutorial, you ask in comment section. I have upload a video, amazing video for you. You watch all the designs that I have uploaded for you. Viewers, if you have any confusion about these frocks, about fashion, you ask in comment section. You share this video with your friend, with your relative, with your customer. If you are tailor, you stitch new designing ideas for your customer. Viewers, you watch my all the video without skip any designs. You watch my video to end. Viewers, you visit my channel and watch all the videos that I have uploaded for you. Viewers, you watch all the video to end that I upload for you. You visit my channel, viewers. व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको न्यू डिज़ाइनिंग आइडियाज़ चाहिए और आप वो भी कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकती हैं, हम आप लोगों के लिए न्यू डिज़ाइनिंग आइडियाज़ लेकर आएंगे. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. व्यूअर्स, you watch all the videos. You share this video with your friend, with your relatives, with your customers. You stitch this frock for your baby, for you.